Peter Parker. He'll be our next Bakra. He knows what is Bakra means. Girls don't die for him. Bro, we have Peter Parker with us. He's not actually Peter Parker, but he's a Peter. I just got in company from somewhere. I was just roaming over here and there, और मुझे भाई मिल गए हमारे Peter Parker रशिया से. So hey Peter Parker.
What's up? How you guys doing?
What's your real name, by the way?
My real name is Peter, man.
But full name?
Full name? It's Peter, bro. Peter Parker.
It's Peter Parker, yeah, bro. So we are just meet in the central library.
Yeah.
Now we are just moving ahead from somewhere to somewhere. And he'll be our next Bakra. He knows what is Bakra means.
No,
You know, right? You know,
I'm
right?
no goat, okay?
He's good, yeah, he got that thing.
No Bakra, no Bakra.
You'll be a Bakra, bro?
No, bro.
Yeah, bro, you'll go Bakra.
No, I don't.
Okay, what do you need to do, come? Okay, let's go with the bus station and we'll just do something.
Bus station.
Yeah, that's the bus
Nah, bro, I
station.
want to go to Chhatrapati Shivaji terminus.
Do you have a train or like that?
No, I just want to look. It's a beautiful building, bro.
I never saw that. I'm over here first time also, so let's
Oh, it's your
see.
first time in Mumbai?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
No, actually,
Oh.
I'm continuously traveling from Surat to Bombay.
Okay.
But the thing is that I'm having lots of time today,
Okay,
so I'll
perfect.
see each part of the Mumbai.
Sounds good, bro. Sounds
Yeah, don't fall, bus.
Yeah.
So, bro, I was not in a mood to make this, but I need to.
Right. I'll try, man.
So he was asking me where I'm from, so I just told him that I'm from Gujarat. So Gujarat is a very beautiful city.
Yeah.
Surat, bro.
I haven't been.
You haven't been?
No.
Come once, bro. Come once.
Okay, bro.
You can stay at my home, no problem.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate it.
You can stay at my home. We will enjoy. We will fucking enjoy every piece of Surat.
Perfect, bro.
If I could try that, we will just roam in the whole Gujarat like this.
Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah.
I will lost my weight. So literally, he's a good person. Nice to meet him. And I was just finding someone companies, and he got me, and I got him.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
So by the way, are you on Instagram?
No, man. I'm off social media, bro.
You are not?
No,
Truly?
I'm off, yeah.
Bro, are the Russians are been doing that, or
Russians
just
do
you?
is just my personal
Yeah,
opinion. I
personal
don't like
opinion.
social media, man.
Okay.
Are you blogging on like Instagram or?
Yeah, I'm an influencer, Instagrammer, fashion modeler, and a dancer.
Nice, bro. That's cool.
And the aside of that thing, I'm a tech student, sir.
What?
A tech student.
Tax? Tech.
Tech.
Which tech?
AIML. Artificial intelligence and machine learning.
Okay. Complex, bro. Yeah.
I'm multitasker, bro.
Yeah, bro. How's that going? Where you study, bro?
I'm studying. I have studied in Surat only. It's called Sutex Bank College of Computer Application and Science.
Okay, nice. Nice, bro. You like it?
At the starting, we were said like this college is best. You will never see this type of college in India. You have been choose best college of India. But when you open the doors of your classroom, it will be like, where did I came, bro? It's holy shit.
So Heath, what do you think of Bombay?
Bro, Bombay is city of dreams.
City of Dreams.
Yeah.
In Bombay.
Yeah. There are many people who want to come in Mumbai, but they can't.
Yeah, that's true.
So my channel is for them only.
For what?
My channel is for them to
for
make them burn.
Okay, I see.
To make them burn as a hell.
So that they it leads them to act. You
Yeah,
know?
they are. Yeah, they will just release them act.
That's good, man.
Yeah. Guys, जल जाओ तुम लोग, जल जाओ, मर जाओ.
Okay.
This is cute, bro. बस तुम लोग लड़कियां मर मत जाना इसके पीछे. I'm saying to my people who will be watch this that girls don't die for him. Are you taken or single for my?
Taken,
You
sorry.
are taken?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is taken. So
Yeah.
don't worry, girls.
Sorry, girls.
They are more loyal than us.
Yeah.
I was just
What
thinking.
about you, bro? Taken or single?
I'm not taken or never been in relationship.
Oh,
Cause if I've been in a relationship, then my work will be like girl, and
Yeah.
that was specific girl.
yeah. Fair.
Are you understanding this?
Yeah.
24/7, I need to call her and waste my 3 hours of time. Until I'm reached at one peak, I couldn't fall in love with anyone.
Okay.
I need to build something.
Yeah. That's a fair point. You know, you gotta know when the time is right. For
Yes.
it, right? Sometimes, you know, from my personal experience, you gotta stay single for a little bit until you find the right person,
Yes.
and then, you know, you'll know it.
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah.
But by the way, I'm just having crush many of them from your side only, bro. Just one thing, like it's like Indians are dying for Russian girls.
Yeah, that's true. I know that.
You know that?
I know that, bro.
You know that thing?
I'm not bringing my sister here.
No, don't bring. Don't bring. By the way, it's beautiful place. You can bring her, but there are some places, some you can understand this.
Well, what does it mean?
It's mean cheap peoples.
Cheap people.
Yeah, you will learn many of the Bollywood things over here with me. It means cheap people and the thinking of people are having low mind. You understand?
Yeah. So like, you know, people who sell out.
No. It's so much dark, bro. It's not like that.
no.
They will just see in a negative way.
Ah, okay.
Nothing else.
I see. Yeah. So how many followers you got, bro?
I was having 20k.
20K. Wow.
Yeah. Then my account got banned. My account got banned after 20k.
You got banned?
Yeah, I got
Oh,
banned.
shit. Why?
It was about sexual pornography.
Yeah.
But it wasn't. I will just show you. Wait a minute. I have never given up on that thing.
Yeah.
I lost my 20k followers, and even though I was not having any single photograph in backup, every collabs, every photograph, every story, it got deleted.
Oh, crap.
Every brands call me and where is our reel? I told them I'm out. I got banned by Instagram. So if Instagram you're watching this, check my mail. Why?
Oh, respect my boy Heath, bro. Come on.
Thank you, man. There is also भाई ये भी रिस्पेक्ट का हकदार है भाई. भाई मैं अकेला घूम रहा था. He just asked me for washroom and I just guided him. After that we are being friends. Yeah, we are, na?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, we are friends. I was telling them, hey, like, how do we meet? So we meet in a washroom.
Yeah. We were at the Asiatic Society of Mumbai,
Yeah.
and I asked this guy for a bathroom.
Wow, yeah. You were just having dumbass.
Yeah, man.
So will you be a bakra?
No background, bro. No background. You know, if I am something,
Yeah.
I must know what it means first, fully.
Okay, yeah. Bakra means good.
Goats. I'm no goats, bro.
You are not good,
I'm
but
a
you
person,
are good.
bro. I'm a person.
You are good.
I'm a
You
human
are
being, bro.
G-O-H-E good, not good. The messy one. And even though your name is Peter,
Yeah.
so you will be a good. He is being good. Bro, how much there is there? We need to walk. I can't even walk this much. How you are having walked this right now?
Huh?
In this hots.
Oh, it's good. I've been to India a few times, bro. So
Whoa.
it's nice.
Come to India, bro.
Yeah, man. I love this country, bro.
Come to Gujarat. कभी ठहर के तो देखो हमारे गुजरात में. It's like that. Do you know Amitabh Bachchan?
Huh?
Do you know Amitabh Bachchan?
Tabuchin?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan?
Yeah.
No, what
Big
is
B
it?
of Bollywood.
Oh.
He's super model. He's super
Supermodel.
actor. He's
Okay.
Superman for India.
Oh, okay.
He has the height of 7 feet.
Oh, 7
We
feet.
will need to see like this.
7 feet. Is he from Kashmir, bro?
Nah, he's not from Kashmir.
Wow.
But he's having that type of genetics. He has 100 and 200 and lots of blockbuster movies.
Wow.
None of them are like Kaam Chalao movies.
Yeah.
Average movies. They have all of that and having a blockbuster movie.
I see.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
So what kind of content you mostly post? Fashion,
I'm a khichdi.
kitchen?
Khichdi. In Gujarati, we eat khichdi. Hodgepodge.
Oh, okay.
You know hodgepodge, right?
It's like culture?
Yeah, it's cultural.
Oh, like everything.
Yeah, everything. Not like everything. That's like a rice. There are two type of hodgepodge. Rice, mug. What do we say, mug? That what's the green color peas, right? That not peas one. That other peas one. भाई उसे क्या बोलते हैं भाई मैं भूल गया भाई. What's that called? I don't remember that. That has green color of peas. Like we can say that. Chana, you know chana?
Chana?
No. Leave it.
Like chana?
Leave it. I'll make it and I'll feed you once. Just make me remember when we meet again.
Okay, bro.
I'll meet you. It's called khichdi.
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 It's like a food.
Yeah, it's food.
Okay.
A very authentic and like orthodox type food.
Oh, okay.
It's so best.
Oh, hell yeah.
If you eat with curd, if you will eat with curd, you will feel heaven. And if you eat with milk, cold milk, you will just leave your soul.
Oh, wow.
That's much. In Gujarat,
You're convincing me right now, man.
yeah, it's like if Gujaratis having if Gujarati don't eat khichdi once a day, they will need to go to doctor.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's like that, bro.
it's like that.
It's like
It's a
you know, it's
vitamin
like an
source.
apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Yeah.
So the
You
Gujarati.
first.
Thank you, man. The Gujarati style, huh?
Yeah, that's a Gujarati style.
Hell yeah.
Bro, how many times you have come in India?
Wait, bro, I think we missed it.
Maybe not.
Yeah. We have to, let's go.
You need to? Oh, wait a moment.
Bro, crossing the road in India is so fun.
Yeah, it's thrilling, bro.
Yeah.
Do not hit us. We have Peter Parker with us. Do not hit us. We have Peter Parker with us. Peter Parker. Just kidding, huh? Maybe we need to go over there. Yeah, see, I'm smart. Without map, I just told you we need to go over there. Maybe I'll lose my weight 1 or 2 kg today.
Oh, that.
Maybe 15 kg. I'll have 6-pack from tomorrow.
Yes, bro.
It's best.
So what do you do usually in these vlogs?
I usually do vlogging, shooting, acting, modeling.
You act?
Yeah, I act.
Okay. Well, what's your favorite persona?
When I was being on child labor type.
Child.
Yeah, child labor. When I was not having this. It was the last and first time I did act. None of them I haven't done.
You're acting in Bollywood or?
No. It's in starting of a career.
Oh, well, why not Bollywood, bro? You're perfect for it.
See, हीरे को ही हीरे
No,
की
get
पहचान
him in there, bro. Get him in the studio, bro.
हीरे को हीरे की पहचान होती है. सुन लो तुम लोग. I'm just saying that diamonds knows the diamond only. Which are true diamonds. No, by the way, my thing is like this. See, it's like Punchtastic. Boom.
Boom.
It's
yeah.
like, see. Balalalala.
Yeah, bro.
Remember?
Yeah. It's like the boom shakalaka.
Yeah, boom shakalaka. You know boom shakalaka, man.